Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So yes, yet again another package opening video, but this one is really exciting, and it's also going to have a very exciting giveaway, which is already spoiled by the title down below, but I'm still going to mention it anyway, so obviously stick around to the end to see what that is. But yeah, this is a wonderful package that I was sent by the people at GUND. GUND make a lot of stuffed toys and things like that, and they make a lot of the Pusheen merchandise and things that's on the market. They basically sent this to me to review and to show you guys, and we're just gonna have a look at it. I'm really excited. This was sent to me quite a while ago, so I actually can't really remember what's inside, plus I'm not sure I ever fully knew what was inside, so we're just gonna have a look. But yeah, so basically you can get whatever I'm about to show you on the GUND website, which is gund.co.uk. I will basically put all of their links down below in the description box, so if you're interested in any of this stuff, you can go have a peek. So yeah, let's get opening. So it all came nicely bubble wrapped to me, and I recycle all of the bubble wrap that gets sent to me. When I say recycle, I use it in like packages and stuff, so this will not go to waste. Oh my goodness, look! Oh look, that's so... Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, I definitely did not remember what was being sent to me, basically. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, let me open this up. Right. I think the only thing I remember is the this little oh my god, that's so cute. I didn't even see that. I thought I was grabbing the pom-pom. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, this is a pencil topper. I've just remembered it now. Oh my gosh, that's like the cutest thing I've ever seen. Right, let me grab a pencil and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I can't find any pencils, so I'm just putting it on this this pen, but look how cute that is. I had completely forgotten about this. This is genuinely the cutest thing ever. It's like a tiny weeny little Pusheen, and I'm sure these come in all of the colours that Pusheen usually comes in, but this is just the pink and mint and purple version. That is so cute. I hope this isn't focused. Right, okay, I got seriously distracted by that. As I said, I did not remember they were going to send me this. I thought I was grabbing this, which is a really cute little pom-pom, and it is basically this fluffy little pom-pom with Pusheen sticking out of it. So it's got a little tail, and then it's also got the little face with little purple whiskers, and it's nice and fluffy, and then it has this little keychain so you can put it on any of your bags, etc. This is really gorgeous quality as well, because I'm not sure if you can see on the camera if it's going to focus or not. This is a new camera, guys, I'm very sorry. But it's actually like ribbon on here, which is attached to it. Usually it's just like a really cheap looking piece of elastic, but it's actually a really pretty pink little ribbon, which I think is really cute. And I know for a fact on the other versions of this, oh, it's the same colour ribbon, which again is a really nice touch. And yeah, so it's not just like a piece of white elastic. And I love the little feet. I've only just noticed. How cute is that? So adorable. Right. On to the really big fella. Oh, so cute. So it is basically just gorgeous. So it has these really gorgeous purple embroidered details, and then purple whiskers, and then it also has this little embroidered heart, which is mint and nice and fluffy, and then on top it has the embroidered stripes, so 2 on the back, 3 on the top, and then the tail is also I say rainbow, it's also purple and pink. Sorry if you can hear traffic, guys. It's really hot in the UK, so I have to have the windows open, but I live on a high street, so it's busy. So sorry if you can hear any of that. Yeah, so if you know me, I have, oh god, I don't even know how many plush I have now. 4 of these like large Pusheen plush. I love them. I have a serious addiction. I have the Pusheenosaurus one, which is like my favourite of all time, but this is so cute and fluffy. And then this one looks like it is the smaller unicorn version. That's so cute. This is obviously because this has come straight from GUND. This has like instructions, so it says shake me before display to make me look special. So it's basically like, oh, I completely forgot I had a thing in it. This video is just full of surprises. I'm so excited. Anyway, it says like basically like to fluff up all of the plush before like they get put on shelves and stuff. Right, okay, I thought this was the one that had the what am I trying to say? The noise thing in it, but it's not. It's this one, so that's even more exciting. So let me get this out of the way so I can properly show you, and then we can have a good old Pusheen party up in here. Oh my god, look! That is the cutest thing ever. Right. Yeah, so let me put that one in there so you can see them. Oh, so cute. Right, I'm going to try and attempt to open this. There we go. Oh, look. Oh, cute. It's got a little like GUND tag on it. So this is basically a miniature version of this without the heart, and it says press for sound. Now I did see these online. I thought they were so cute, but I thought they were actually the bigger size, but I think this is actually way cuter. Okay, so this has a little unicorn horn. I have the Pusheen Acorn, a big plush as well, and it comes with like the same cute little holographic what am I trying to say, horn, and then it's got like what I like to call the toothpaste tail, which reminds me of like that toothpaste that has the 3 colours in it, and then it has this really cute fur in all the different colours, and it's just the nose. Oh my god, like this is literally the cutest thing ever. Oh my god, kids would go freaking mad for this. Like, it's such a magical sound. Oh, I love it. Can we just talk about this frame right now? Oh, I love it. So yeah, this is, oh god, I'm so excited. So I'm going to be linking the listing pages for all of these on the GUND website, so if you're interested in buying, you can go straight to it. And I have actually just seen on the website that they actually have a promotion on, which is if you spend more than £30, you get a free Pusheen tumbler, which is like this little cup, a little drinking cup, which is really exciting, which I didn't even know. So yeah, if you spend more than £30 on the GUND website, you could get a free Pusheen cup as well. So yeah, as usual, I'm so blown away by the quality of GUND. So yeah, I really love these, and all the embroidery on these is always such good quality, and yeah, and like just this fur, like the fur, it's so cute. So yeah, I'm such a massive fan of them, and as I said, I have loads and loads of their plushes, their Pusheen plushes. So yeah, I couldn't recommend them highly enough. So anyway, didn't mean to do that, that's so funny. So I did mention at the beginning of this video that there was going to be a giveaway. So I am basically going to be giving away 2 other pom-poms. So I actually coincidentally bought these for, I have a little giveaway box. I just like, whenever I see things that I think people would like, I buy them, and I'm going to give them away at some point, but it always takes me ages. But I thought this was the perfect opportunity because there's a pom-pom in this video anyway. So I'm going to be giving 2 of these away to 2 different people. So to win one of these cuties is very simple. So all you have to do is be subscribed to this YouTube channel, xoxRufus. Then also just quickly go on to GUND, have a good browse, see what they sell, and let me know what you would pick if you could pick anything on the site. I've always had my eye on the Sherlock Pusheen. I just think it's so cute. So let me know down below which one you would get. It doesn't have to be Pusheen, it could be anything you want. So yeah, subscribe to this channel, write a comment down below. I will be picking the winner on YouTube, so make sure you're active so you can get the notification if I reply to your comment. But yeah, I will put more information about deadlines and stuff for the giveaway in the description box. And yeah, I hope you guys are excited. This is not in collaboration with GUND, this is from me, just FYI. But yeah, I'm super excited about this, and I cannot wait to see who wins these, and I can't wait to find a space for this. Oh, it's amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to watch my last video, you can click on the screen right now. You can also subscribe by clicking the button down below, and also if you want to hit the bell, you can be properly notified when I upload a new video. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much GUND for sending me all these goodies, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!